So at the coming back to the top, the whole list here, you see a lot of gold, like the blue area here, gold commodities, right, in the gold silver area in the top here, and one of the problems with gold is that as the gold price hit higher, it did come back down really hard on Thursday, but it bounced back on Friday. But the problem is like the gold price is acting better. You can see relative strength hitting new highs. But if I go to the GDX minus here, for the stocks, it's not behaving the same way. The relative strength didn't hit new highs. So some of the gold stocks didn't actually do that well on Thursday and Friday. Some did bounce back on Friday, but not all did. So that's the only problem I see there. Look at some of these top ones. So CDE. So here you go, Thursday and Friday. It continued follow through on the downside, which is not a good thing, even though the gold price was up. And the other thing I did draw here is the upper channel line. So you can see it came pretty close to passing the upper channel line before the pullback. So that was a little sign that hey, maybe this is too extended, right? Here's HL, another same thing happening here. Okay, both days are down. It didn't bounce back like we would see. Now they both still above the 10 days, so there's a chance that it could bounce still. But yeah, we'll have to watch for that. Next we have SSRM. This one looking very weak. Look at this. This is now below 21 days. So there's definitely some divergence here in terms of stock performance. And this is, you can see, relative strength line is now going down. MUX. This one was pulling back on Thursday after new high. Friday, surprisingly, it was still trying to go for the new high again before reversing. So this one is still way above the short-term moving average. So this one is acting stronger than most stock, and therefore the relative strength line is still at the top here. Then we have GFI here, Goldfield. This one also below the 10-day. Not a good sign. It did try to bounce back on Friday a little bit.